Welcome to my channel. Let's recreate my viral eyebrow video. Let's go. I have this, but I prefer this. Yes, so to shave this brow, I'm using my razor, which I prefer, and I'm going ahead to shave smaller portion. Like, it's always very good to go ahead and shave smaller portion, and if you still need to shave, you go in again and shave, rather than shaving a bigger portion and then you have a small or a thin brow. So I'm shaping this part, and I'm still going ahead to shave smaller portion. Like, you see that I'm brushing the hair down because I want to trim the overgrown hair on my brow. This process or this part is very easy using a smaller scissors, but since I'm used to my blade, I just go ahead and use my blade to trim the excess or the overgrown hair. So that's it, trimming the overgrown hair at this part. So if you are not used to your blade, please use a scissors. And this brow is not for everybody. Like, doing it with your razor is not for everybody. If you cannot do it at home, if you are not a professional, please get a professional to do it for you. So I've brushed it upward to also trim the overgrown brow. So I'm just basically putting the razor on the part where my brow ends, or I want the brow to end. And when I put it there, what I do is I put it like this and I pull it upward while taking the blade outward. That's upward and outward, not towards my skin. I pull it upward and outward, that's out of my skin, and that is how I trim the hair without injuring myself or without hurting my skin. So I'm here verifying to be sure that I have trimmed all the overgrown, and voila, press upward and outward, just like that. That's the movement. When you master the upward and outward technique, then you get it. So I'm just checking again to be sure that I have trimmed all the overgrown hair, so that even if I do my makeup, everything will come out perfectly. So that's it. Let's trim the ones that are flying over. Is that, guys? So at this point now, I'm cleaning, or I'm taking off the baby hair to define the brow. So this stage is the final stage, and after this the brow will pop. So this stage is just to make the brow pop by taking off all the baby hairs around the brow, and it leaves the brow well defined. Like, do you see this? Is popping, right? So let's verify. We brush it up, everything is okay, no hair is flying. Brush backward, everything is on point. Let's brush downward. This is it, guys. Even downward, this is just to show you that even if you wake up in the morning, you don't need to like brush your brow up, downward or sideward. You just wake up and everything is on point. And this is it, looking good. And this is the second side. We go ahead and do the same thing. Is the same process on this other side, and voila, we got this beauty right here. You see that? Yeah. Please do subscribe and share the video. See you in my next video. Bisous. Bye bye.